how to get logged into your United Airlines employee account. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on Quick Guide. In this video, I will show you the exact process on how you can get logged into your United Airlines employee account. So make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to get notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up web browser on your PC. Once you open your web browser, search for signon.ual.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, this type of interface will appear on your screen. Now to get logged into your United Airlines employee account, you have to simply type in your UID or your username here and then password of your account in the next box. Now start off by typing in your UID or your username. And once you're done with typing in your username or your UID, head over to the next box and enter your password. Now, if in case you have forgotten your password, then you can tap on this password help link and get help to recover your password. Now, once you're done with typing in your username or your UID and the password of your account, tap on login button. So that's how easily you can get logged into your United Airlines employee account. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Now that's gonna be all for this video. Thank you for watching.